I think the home that I purchased was a unique home.
The homeowner that I represented, she was a nurse, and so she took in special needs children that she cared for. She just had such a giving heart, and so she took care of them in her home. But at the time I listed the home, that wasn't the case, but it was a very large home. And so that house, that listing brought a lot of happy memories. It was during COVID, and so the world had totally changed.
Yeah.
And my daughter and my son-in-law actually painted the whole top floor of that as a part-time job during COVID because they were going through some transitions.
Yeah.
It was just fun to help her prep that home for market. There needed to be things that had to have been done. I actually picked that home up. I believe that was the third or fourth time that home had been listed without being sold.
Right.
And so I like those because I'm like, I got this. And so I got that. We helped restructure some things within the house to stage it correctly and make it more marketable, more neutral, and more appealing to more people.